Journey has just begun. See the love of the Indian gaming community.
Very good.
1.2 million downloads already. Whitey, are you happy or are you happy?
Of course, but I am looking for more.
All right, we keep looking for more. But now, Siddharth, I'd like to call a very dear friend of mine who I've known for years, and he's also the COO of Starlight Gaming, Mr. Lavish Pandey on stage. Please, epic. You've got Sid Malhotra here, who's going gaga over Raider 6. You've already got Kiara inside the game playing there. And of course, you've got the gaming community. And the records speak for itself. 1.2 million downloads in a few days. You must be on cloud nine.
Yes, I am. It's amazing and it's unbelievable. The kind of response that the community has given us, it's overwhelming. We are absolutely shocked, but in a very good way. So thank you everyone.
All right. Now, you know, जैसे games में होता है ना, हर second कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है. Every second there's a roller coaster ride of chills, frills, and thrills. So we're going to make that happen live on stage as well. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome the face of Indian gaming, Team Soul, which is the only Indian organization to win the prestigious Global Esports Awards for esports and gaming content. Together, the brand's 26 premier players are revolutionizing Indian gaming. On stage, live and direct, I give you Payal, Snacks, Millie Joker, Kashvi, and Scout. I request the entire gamers, ladies and gentlemen, ye dekhiye epic scene on stage, the present and future of Indian gaming. Mera pehla, अरे ताली बजाओ यार इनके लिए. They represent Indian gaming. Well, मेरा पहला सवाल obviously है, Snacks तुम्हारे लिए. Did you find the story behind the game very interesting? I'm going to give you the mic. It's all yours.
Actually, yes, बहुत ज़्यादा interesting था. Usually मैं इस type का game PC games में खेला था, but I was not expecting ये mobile game में आएगा. तो जैसे ये mobile game में आया, when I saw कि इसमें element you है, you have to escape, you have to find an escape. You have your own chopper which lands you. You have to take the element you and escape, and the first one to escape wins. तो ये जो concept है, बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे को पसंद आया था. And जो expectations रखा था, when I knew कि इस type का game mobile gaming में आ रहा, जो expectations रखा था उससे ऊपर है ये game. The graphics, the visuals, everything was too good, and I'm enjoying playing it.
You know, talking about that, Siddharth Malhotra and me were just talking, and he said, I told him because he's a dear friend of mine, I will give him the permission to learn from you all. So would you like to be a teacher to Sid Malhotra?
Obviously कोई मना भी नहीं कर सकता इस चीज को. Definitely, my first friend will be you. Game में जो add करूँगा, and we'll play together.
Lovely, looking forward, man. I would love to, love to.
All right, next, Payal. What are your thoughts on the game?
I really love the graphics. It has so many cool elements, so many cool features, the emotes, and you can see there are so many different transportation items, like they have choppers, they have horses, they have different vehicles. So yeah, I'm very looking forward to play this game and enjoying it a lot.
But how does it feel to have another action star? You're an action star, he's an action star. What's the mutual feeling going on?
I'm like, I can't express what I'm feeling right now, and I would love to play like this game with one of the favorite actor and standing along with him.
Only if you take Kiara's name in the game.
Yeah, okay. I will.
ये तो voluntarily हार जाएगा अगर आप कियारा का नाम लेंगी, right?
Will you?
Yeah, we should play. Yeah, of course. Only
No,
if
no.
they-
वो कह रहे कि आप हार जाओगे अगर मैं
Oh,
कियारा
again,
वाला
I know.
कैरेक्टर
Yeah, of course. Exactly. We discussed before. Only there's no I. Only we wins. Only she wins. So even in the game, I'll feel like she's playing and you'll be winning for sure.
So this is कहानी घर घर की. Everywhere is the same thing we see.
Scout, how will you say that this game is going to revolutionize esports in India?
इंडिया में तो e-sports बहुत टाइम से
जी।
सो आई फील कि ये गेम कुछ यूनिक है स्पेशली इसमें एक्सप्लोरेशन बहुत है इट्स जस्ट नॉट एक्शन इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ डायनामिक दैट टेक्स इन द गेम व्हाइल प्लेइंग इट स्पेशली हाउ स्नैक्स मेंशन इट्स अबाउट finding the element you and escaping from the island that's one of the most hardest part क्योंकि आपको बस लड़ना नहीं है आपको एक्सप्लोर भी करना है ढूंढना भी है जिंदा भी रहना है और जीतना भी है तो बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स करना है सो ये बहुत बड़ा एक इम्पैक्ट डालने वाला है स्पोर्ट्स में क्योंकि कुछ नया आने वाला है गेमर्स के लिए सारे
बहुत अच्छा है तो यानी कि आप लिविंग ऑन द एज मोमेंट्स आपके ऑलरेडी आने शुरू हो गए इस गेम की वजह से
हम तो गेमर है हम तो जीते ही इस चीज़ के लिए
क्या बात है मेरे दोस्त काशवी हाय हाउ यू गुड टू सी यू ताली बजाओ लेडी नारी शक्ति गर्ल पावर वंडर वुमेन ऑन स्टेज व्हाट कंटेंट आइडियाज come to you moment you start playing the game?
So a lot of content ideas. Initially, I'm gonna start off with making like tutorial content because everyone's new to this game. So everyone's gonna be super excited to play it. So I'll probably start off with teaching everyone how to play, and then play with my friends, enjoy, make funny content. Maybe do some cool content like how fast we can beat the game, how fast we can take the element you and escape. So a lot of content ideas are coming to head. Super excited to start making videos on this.
So if Siddharth Malhotra threw you a challenge on Raider 6, what are you going to give him back? Siddharth, you have a challenge for her?
मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ अगले कुछ हफ्तों में सबके साथ खेलना पड़ेगा मेरे को एक के साथ दोस्त वन के साथ चैलेंज और एक के साथ then she's taking Kiara's name so I'm very busy guys Raider 6 is what I'm playing now only ahead
Absolutely.
but they're all pros I need to learn from them instead of challenging them I think I need all gaming tips from all of them right here
तो मानी ये सीन है कि 9 to 11 in the morning, teacher, scout, 11 to 1, काशवी ऐसे एक तुम्हारा रूटीन बना देंगे हाँ?
correct अलग-अलग skill levels in games I'm excited I'm really excited to learn
Joker, what's up? How are you?
All good. How are you?
Very good, my friend. ताली बजाइए उन सब के लिए. They are revolutionary, by the way. All right. I mean, आप लोग सब stars of Indian gaming community, right? What do you feel about promoting games made for India? क्योंकि ये India के लिए बनी है.
I feel really honored and lucky also. Like हमारे देश का गेम है और हमें choose किया है कि हम इसे promote करें. So yep, I'm very happy to be part of this event and like जब मैंने देखा गेम और जब मैं खेल के देखा तो like I'm not a like pro gamer. मैं बस entertain के लिए खेलता हूँ. बस मुझे हंसना है, हंसाना है और मुझे मज़ा आया वो skateboard देख के वो सब बस मार रहा हूँ गोलियाँ सबको. तो यप अच्छा लग रहा है कि इंडियन मतलब देश का गेम है और हम पूरा प्राउड से इसको प्रमोट कर रहे हैं.
देखिए सिद्धार्थ, ये जो कह रही है ये प्रो गेमर नहीं है. डोंट टेक इट टू लाइटली. हाँ,
he's underplaying it
ही इज अंडरप्लेइंग. ठीक है,
टेक्निक है
ये टेक्निक होता है. अंडरप्ले करना और फिर अपोनेंट को हिला देना
कि मैं चैलेंज करूं
ताकि तुम चैलेंज करो.
आप मेरे साथ खेल सकते हो. लाइक आप मुझे हरा सकते हो
मैं
इजीली.
आपसे लोगों से सीख सकता हूं आई वांट टू लर्न गेमिंग that's what I'm saying step 1 step 2 step 3 मैं आ रहा हूं ट्यूटोरियल
ठीक है, बट वी आर नॉट टेकिंग यू लाइटली. हाँ, ये कमेंट्स के साथ. मिली, हाउ आर यू? गुड टू सी यू.
Hi, all good. How are you?
Are you excited? Are you very excited?
Very excited. I can't express right now.
What do you think is going to be your contribution to Raider 6?
I'm actually very excited, and my contribution will be the main reason that I'm gonna play Raider 6 is maybe in future if it comes in competitive or esport, I'll make a female lineup with me to like compete with everyone. That would be my contribution to the game.
Wow, माने सारे girl powers की एक टीम बनाने वाली हैं आप.
Yeah.
Wonderful. You already have 2 on stage as
We
well.
are already there. I'll find one more, scout for one more.
I'm sure. और अब तालियां बजाइए पूरे फौज के लिए on stage. Sid Malhotra, I'd request you come center stage, and because we're going to have that epic photo opportunity with Lavish, YT as well. YT had liquid to go there. दोस्तों, ये रहा आपका big photo opportunity as well. Also, thank you. I request YT wanted the Starlight gaming team also to come on stage, right? Can I request the team to come up on stage too? Yes, yes, yes.